Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be an updated bathroom tour, which I promised all of you on my Instagram. So if that's something you'd like to see, then stay tuned. Also, if you enjoy this content, make sure that you like, subscribe, and comment, as it really helps support my channel. And let's get right into it. Okay, so this is just going to be a walkthrough video so that I can kind of talk my way through it as we go. Please excuse my attire, I am in my pajamas at this moment. So let's start off with the towels, I suppose. So these are new. I got these from Winners, HomeSense, or Marshalls. I can't remember which one. But my other ones had quite a few bleach stains on them, and some of them were pilling and stuff like that. They were just kind of looking old and tattered, and they didn't really go with the vibe that I wanted in here. So I switched it out and I got these really gorgeous white and gray towels. I really like them because they have this kind of antique looking embroidery on the top, and then they've got these little bubble things coming out, these little dots, I'm not sure what you call them. And yeah, it's textured, really nice. And then I got a couple of matching hand towels slash face towels in white. I couldn't find the exact color, but I'm actually preferring the white now that I have it set up because it adds a little bit of contrast. That's the towel situation. I think they look really pretty, and they're a little bit more of a cool gray color as opposed to the warmer mushroom gray that I had before. Coming over to the wall above the toilet, we have a painting that I also picked up from Winners or HomeSense, and it was really inexpensive. It was $19.99, and what I really like about it is a pastel, kind of an oil painting. I really like the colors. It's got gray, purple, blue, but everything is very subdued, which I like. That's totally my vibe. I only have 2 pieces of wall art in my entire house. You guys know this because I'm kind of a wall art-ophobic. I do not like a lot of clutter. I do not like a lot of stuff on my walls. It just drives me absolutely crazy. But for a while now, I've been thinking that the above the toilet area needed something. So I've just been kind of waiting for the right thing to come along, and I've been avoiding doing impulse buying at Walmart because I didn't like anything that they had. For some perspective, we don't have a Winners, HomeSense, or Marshalls where I live. We don't have, it's a very small town, so we don't have anything really nice as far as home decor. You kind of do have to leave and drive at least 2 hours to find anything. So finally I found something that I like, and it matches the towels, and it's beautiful. And then coming down beside the toilet, I actually put my snake plant in here. I wasn't sure how well it was going to go because it's a little bit low. It's kind of on these little tiny stilts, but I guess that's better than sitting just on the ground. But I do kind of like him there actually. And the good thing about snake plants is they are actually a member of the cactus family, and they do not require a lot of sun whatsoever. So he will thrive in that corner. He'll get just enough light coming from the window up above, as well as when I have the bathroom door open, and I think he's gonna do just fine. He's already grown quite a bit since I purchased him. I love snake plants. I think they're so cute, and I like that they grow just straight up, and I don't know, there's something about them. I think they're very chic little plants, and they're very, very low maintenance. You don't have to water them a lot either. So if you guys are looking for a low maintenance houseplant, definitely recommend the snake plant, also known as Sansevieria. And I really like this little pot that I got for him. It came like that, and it came from my local florist. So it was about $50, a little bit pricey. Bought it a while ago, so unfortunately I can't link it for you guys because it was a unique item that they sold just at my local florist. So coming over, we have matching wastebasket to the soap dispensers, which I've had for quite a while now. Toilet paper, not exciting. And then coming over to the counter, this is my favorite part. So on the left side of the counter, I have this really cute antique little vanity tray. Kind of looks like a mirror. This is not expensive. This is just made of plastic, I'm pretty sure. So it looks a little bit antique, which I really, really like. You guys know I've been getting into antique stuff lately quite a lot. And then on top, I have just a really cheap vase of flowers. I would like to get a nicer, more realistic looking flower arrangement at one point, but these ones just came from Walmart. They were really, really inexpensive. And then I just have a very cheap vase and some little crystals in the bottom to kind of make it look like water. And then this soap is also new. I got this from Winners HomeSense as well. I just really like it because it looks very minimal and subdued. I like the colors, and it's by the brand Crabtree and Evelyn, and I really like the scent of this lotion. I told you guys that if you can find it anywhere at your local HomeSense or Marshalls, definitely get your hands on it. It smells really nice. It has this really nice kind of antique, comforting, soapy kind of a smell to it. And then on the tray as well, I have this little mini perfume. This one is from Philosophy, and this is just the pure gray. So this is the one that you guys probably know smells like, basically literally smells like laundry detergent, like linen, like very fresh, clean hotel linens. That's kind of the vibe that I get from this. And I won't wear it myself, but it makes a really nice air freshener. Or you can spray it on your towels, or you can spray it on your shower curtain just to spritz it up and make everything smell nice and fresh. So yeah, I thought that not only was the bottle really cute, but I thought it would be also functional in the bathroom so it doesn't go to waste. I really love this bottle. I love how minimal it is. And then coming over, we have a set of soap dispenser as well as a cup. So they match. So nothing special there, but they're gray, of course, because gray is my theme in my bathroom. I want everything to be a little bit gray. It's my theme in my whole house, actually. And then coming over to the right, we have lots of things. So we have a face towel / hand towel. This did not come with my set, but I kept it because I kind of like to have the other two displayed, and then I want one that is actually functional. I realized after the fact that white was probably not the best towel for me to use to wash my face because I will get mascara on it and whatever else, and they'll become stained. So those white towels are going to be just for looks, just to keep my bathroom looking pretty, which is fine with me. And then this one is going to be my actual functional towel. Below that, we have a couple of crystal containers. So this one here just holds little cotton rounds, which I rarely ever use. I just think they look nice, and sometimes they do come in handy for certain things. And then beside that, we have another matching one, but this one just holds makeup brushes. So it's just kind of a nice way to hold brushes. Very practical because I do use my makeup brushes. And then I have this candle in front. This one is by the brand 96. This one is the scent Fresh Gardenia and Jasmine. It smells absolutely amazing, you guys. It's like a very creamy, soft floral scent. So it's totally inoffensive, but it's also very elegant and very floral, very pretty. It's beautiful, and it's gonna last me forever as well because I don't light candles in here very often. I only light them when I have a bath once in a while to relax. So that is the vanity and everything that's on it. I try to keep it as clean and clutter-free as possible, but I do like things to look pretty and chic and elegant as well. So I would never keep my makeup out here. I would never keep, you know, toothpaste, toothbrushes. What else do people keep? Hair stuff. I would never keep that stuff on my counter because I just find it looks very cluttered. Sometimes I'm like, oh, that bottle of hairspray looks nice in the corner, but no, I always end up putting everything back underneath. So everything that I have that is makeup or beauty related or toiletries, everything is stored in those drawers down there, which I have shown you guys in previous videos, so I won't go through it today. So behind the bathroom door, we have this little wire shelf, which I picked up from Walmart when I first moved in here. So on the top, I keep a little gray basket that just holds extra odds and ends. So like extra cotton balls, my contacts, extra candles, things that are functional or I need, but I just don't want them sitting out. And then to the right of that, we have a little bath oil. This one is from a local company actually near where I live. It was a little bit expensive. It was $20 for this little oil, and it's basically just avocado oil and coconut oil. Smells amazing. It's just like very soft. There's not a lot of fragrance in it, but I really like adding this to my bath sometimes because then I don't have to put moisturizer on when I get out. Beneath that, I have a few face towels that I bought when I was in the city as well. I haven't taken them out of their bow yet because I think they look really pretty tied up and just put to the side, and that's kind of how I envisioned having them when I saw them. I kind of thought that I would just keep them as decor. I wasn't really planning to use them. I know that sounds really silly, but I'm sure I'm not the only person who does that. But it just looks really pretty. Eventually I might use them, we'll see. And then I also have another functional face towel. I was tempted to get rid of this one. This one belonged to the other set of towels that I had gotten rid of, but this one is actually in pretty good condition. To the left of that, we have a couple more containers. This is just one of those little crystal containers. This was very inexpensive. I got it from the dollar store. And that sometimes comes in handy to hold things like Q-tips or whatever. And this one as well, dollar store, very inexpensive, and it just holds cotton balls. So I really like clear containers because not only are they functional and practical, but they also look really nice. They make any area look kind of spa-like. Third shelf, there is another towel. This is what I was talking about with the pilling. The towels are not, these ones are not in great condition, but I kept it because, again, I want to have another functional towel. If I have a guest over or my daughter's playing outside and she comes in and she's covered in mud or something and I just don't want to ruin my good set of towels, it is good to have a spare towel around. Even though I'm not big into having spare anything, I think that having a couple is okay. And then on the bottom shelf, we have a very COVID-esque toilet paper situation. Normally, I only keep that bin full, but we had gotten an extra thing of toilet paper back in the days when people were buying toilet paper like crazy, and we were literally selling out in my town, and I didn't want to be without toilet paper, so we did get ourselves an extra package just to make sure. So we're still kind of working through that. Once those are gone, I will not have it so like overstocked with toilet paper. Coming over to the bath and shower situation, this is very basic and very plain. So I did replace the bath mat. The one that I had here before was really scratched up from my cat when she was a kitten. She really did a number on my bath mat. If you guys have cats, you understand. I don't know why, but cats love to rip around and tear around in the bathroom and scratch up bath mats. So that one was completely destroyed. So I did replace it with this really plush, gorgeous one. This is by a company called Hotel something, Luxurious Hotel something. I don't know, but this one was from Winners and HomeSense as well. Really good deal. It's really pretty. It's like the perfect color of gray, and it's very plush and very cozy. And my shower curtain stayed the same. My shower curtain is still in good condition, and it's basically just white, but it is textured. It has these really nice little textured dots on them again. I wanted something plain and something spa-like and something very clean and simple from the moment that I moved in here. And in the tub, I keep things very simple as well. I don't like a lot of stuff sitting out on the ledges. So I have a detangling comb, which is my pink detangling comb I've had since the beginning of time. We have another functional face cloth. We have a safety razor. It's one of the reusable safety razors that you just actually get the blades and put them in. These are amazing, you guys. They save you a lot of money. They're better for the environment, and you get a closer shave. I highly recommend this. If you are still using plastic razors, honestly, get yourself a safety razor. This was, I think, $30 on Amazon. I've only had to replace the blade once in like 6 months, and they are so sharp. You get such a good shave. Can't recommend them enough. To the right, we have shampoo and conditioner. So again, I always try to keep just a couple of bottles out. My daughter and myself use the same shampoo and conditioner, which really saves on clutter and having a whole lot of stuff sitting around. I'm really not picky about the shampoo or conditioner that I use. I find that my diet and my stress level affects the health of my hair more than the products I use. So right now those are Joico K-Pack, but they're actually a mishmash of numerous shampoos and conditioners that I had emptied in from previous bottles quite a few months ago. So we're kind of just going through those. And then this I actually got from the dollar store. This was like $3 or $4. It's probably one of the best deep conditioners I've ever used in my life. Really good. It's by a brand called Hask, and it makes my hair very shiny and soft. Coming over to this side, we just have a shower loofah. That's not my choice in color of shower loofah. I don't know where it came from. I think it must have been a Christmas gift, like in a stocking stuffer or something at one point. I would rather just have a gray one or maybe a pink one or something that kind of goes with the bathroom decor. It'll be fine for now. And then on the top, we have two body washes. So the one on the right is actually a really nice body wash. I use it myself sometimes. It's my significant other's, and that's here for when he's here and he showers and whatnot. And then the one on the left is the one that I told you guys I got from Winners, HomeSense, or Marshall's. And it's beautiful, smells like coconuts and rose. I still do have a couple other body washes that are just under my sink. They were the ones that I was using before I bought this one, and I'm going to just grab them and use them every time I shower until they're gone. But this is the one that I wanted displayed because the other two are orange, and the orange ones don't go with my decor. So that is really it for the shower and bath. I like to keep it clean and uncluttered. Other than that, I'm not too fancy with the decorations with the bathtub area. I'm just happy if it's clean and uncluttered. So that's it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed my updated bathroom tour. If fragrance and home decor videos are your thing, make sure you subscribe because there will be lots of future content, and head on over and follow me on Instagram if you haven't already, because I share a lot of things on there that I don't on YouTube. And I'll see you next time.